Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we're going to explore the OneDrive using your Office 365 account.
Hi, so at this point, we're going to work on with our OneDrive. So OneDrive is your drive or where your repository of your materials inside your Office 365 account. As you can see, there's OneDrive here. When you click on OneDrive, it goes to another tab. So these are my files on my OneDrive. As you can see, there are a lot of folders. So I organize that. So you can organize your materials there. However, let me just work on with my another account so that you could see. So that's an account, my personal account, my GRU account if I'm mistaken. So that's it. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, now if you have now your materials, as you can see, these are now your materials. So let's look at this one material. Okay, I have here this one. So I click a file, which is a Word document. So here example of a document. So this is titled Simplify Rational Algebraic Expression. So as you can see, their equation. So as you can see, it's not yet working. However, now it works already. So the equation is already there. So I want to share this file to my student using my Canvas LMS. So there is what we call now a share file. Okay. Now, there are ways that you can share this file. No, if you have your Canvas, you can share it as copying it as a link. Now, if you want to look at that, let me just go to your dashboard to a Canvas course. So I can work a page on it. So I can add now a page. So let me have this one. So let me just click page. And then I'm going to create a new page. Then I will work on with simplifying rational algebraic expression. So because I'm a math teacher, so I'm having an example in math. So you can use these expressions. So as you can see, I can have this one. So I can share it by a link. So this would be click the link for the examples. So here's now the link. So as you can see, I can insert now a link, external link. So examples of simplifying rational algebraic expression. So right, I'm going to put it there. And then you can now put now your link. Done. And then you can now save and publish. Now, this is how it looks like. That's one way on how you're going to work that out. So this could be there. And it is now already shared with your students. Now, another way to share that is using now this way on how to add this one. Let me have this one. When you have now a module, another way to look at it in your module. For example, I have here a module. Let me just click a module. So let's create a new module for you. Another thing that you can simplifying rational algebraic expression. So let me add that module. Now, another technique that you can create is that. So let me have that. So it's some kind of far away. So you can add it as an external link. Now, an external link or external URL. So the URL, which is the page, and then you can now this one, examples of RAE. Examples of simplifying RAE. So when there's an option that you can click this to load as a new tab. However, I will not click that. So you can see it on your module already as an external link. Now, let me just publish it and let's try to open this one. When you open that element, external URL, you can see here, as you can see, it's refusing it. However, if that is the thing that's happening in your class, you can click this one so that it would proceed to a Word Online. However, if you use your school, it depends upon the domain of the the domain that you're using. Okay, that's one option. However, there's another option on sharing it. Let's go back here. So let me just have this one. So that's how you share that on your LMS, which is Canvas LMS. Another is that you share it that the student cannot edit it. So you click this one once again. Let me have that one again. So click share. And then you click this option, anyone with the link can edit. So you remove this one so that when you get now an external link, you cannot edit that file. Another thing that you can work out or you can share is that you can set a password. So you can set a password for the file. So it works like this one. So I'm setting now a password like ABC123, then ABC as well. So I'll allow that. I'll apply that. So I'm now getting now this one. So for example, let me just share this one. Let me just get a page. Oops. Let me just go back there on the module. Let's see that. How does it work? So for example, I'm going to create now another external URL. So for a while, let me just go to the last part. So external URL. So I'm going to put now the link and then with password. So sometimes this is what's good if they know the password already. However, just for the purpose of this one, when you click this one with password, however, you'll click this one, it will ask you for a password. So once again, it's ABC123 ABC. Then verify, and then it would open now for the file. So that's with the password. Okay. Another way to share your file in your Canvas or in any platform learning management system is by sharing it as a embedded file. So for example, let's have this one. You can click now share, and then once again, when you say embedded, you would see it. I think I would change a file. So it's not a document, but I'm gonna open a PowerPoint so that you would see. It's cooler to look at it with the PowerPoint. So let's look at with this one, a PowerPoint. Let me have my files. So let me open now my file here. Let me check. I think I have it here on documents for a while. Yeah. Okay, I have it here. So here is my how to factor. So let me have this one then. You click file and then click share and then get the embedded code. Okay, when you get the embedded code, you copy this one. So click copy. Okay, now what are you going to do with your canvas is that so there's a sound that you see. So sample embedding PowerPoint. Okay, when you embed now your PowerPoint, you get no embedding code. So this is how you switch to HTML editor and then paste now the embedded code. Now save and publish, and that's how it looks like. So you can now share that, and there would be a sound as well because I recorded it. So that's how it works. Mm. So as you can see, there is a navigation as well in your canvas. So that's how it works. So that's how you have your OneDrive and sharing it to your LMS. So OneDrive, once again, it's a repository of your files that you're using in your Office 365. Okay. I hope you learned something with OneDrive and how to share that using your Canvas LMS. If you have any questions, drop in some comments below so that I could answer it. Thank you very much and I hope you learned something. Have a great day.